Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize data analysis with Tableau, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by launching Tableau desktop on your computer. Open your data source by selecting Connect from the Start page. Choose the appropriate connection type, such as Excel, SQL, or a text file. Once your data source is selected, click Open or Connect as required. Review your data in the Data Source tab to ensure it has loaded correctly. Drag and drop tables into the canvas area to establish relationships if necessary. Click on Sheet 1 at the bottom to start building your first visualization. Select the fields you want to analyze from the data pane on the left. Drag a dimension field to the rows or columns shelf to create your initial structure. Next, pull a measure field, such as sales or quantity, into the opposite shelf. Experiment with different visualization types using the Show Me panel on the right. Refine your visualization by adding filters for more specific insights. Use the Filters shelf to drag dimensions or measures that you want to filter by. Adjust your visualizations by clicking on the drop-down arrows to change properties. Explore the formatting options to enhance the appearance of your charts. Utilize calculated fields for deeper analysis by selecting Analysis, then Create Calculated Field. Input your formula and incorporate parameters to make your analysis interactive and flexible. Drag your calculated field or parameter into the rows or columns shelf as needed. Add tooltips to provide contextual information by clicking on the Tooltip shelf. Create dashboards by clicking on the New Dashboard option at the bottom. Drag and drop your sheets onto the dashboard canvas for a comprehensive view. Customize the layout and size of your dashboard to improve clarity. Consider using actions to link different visualizations interactively. Test the interactivity by clicking on elements within your dashboard. Save your work by selecting File, then Save as to store the Tableau workbook. Finally, publish your dashboard to Tableau server or Tableau online for sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.